Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Guys, so today I'm going to answer your question today. Some people are asking me about the explosion that happens in Lebanon. So today I'm going to answer you the causes, the time and the date. Please keep on watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, you're most welcome to Little Life channel. Please consider to subscribe to my channel and get to know much about domestic workers in Arab country, precisely in Lebanon. To my returnee, you guys are so lovely and amazing. Thank you for your support. So guys, I'm going to tell you the date, what happens in Lebanon on about the explosion of Lebanon. I'm going to tell you today. The explosion of Beirut port happens on Tuesday, 4th of August by 3 p.m. 2020. The chemical, which is ammonium nitrate, that was stored at the port of Beirut, the capital city of Lebanon, exploded. Fire outbreak, which causes a lot of people homeless and jobless in Lebanon. Many people died and many people injured and hospitalized, and damaged so many properties that are worth billions of dollars. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I really answered your question. Please drop your comments. I will see you on my next video.